Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. It's today. Now I have an excuse to eat a bunch of food and not be judged. So I'll be just filming a simple makeup look today. It's not gonna be too dramatic. Just gonna be walking around somebody's living room. But let's get to it. I'm just gonna be using some Shape Tape as kind of a base on my eyelids. Buffing that all in. Setting that with a nice skin tone base. Always do this just because I feel like it helps you be able to blend everything out more. I'm just gonna be going into the FRIENDCATION Just Colors palette. I'm just gonna be taking this right here, necessary, very necessary to use. And I'm just gonna be buffing that all around the crease. I just like using this as kind of like a transition shade. Just helps us get started on everything. This is actually a pretty quick look. It's not too difficult to do. It's pretty simple. You just need some nice kind of brown tones in there and then a nice sparkly one. Now going back into that with Churro, and this I'm just gonna be putting into the outer V part of my eye. And with this I kind of like to bring it halfway because when we put the sparkly shade in, it just kind of helps everything flow together pretty nicely. It's a little messy, don't worry about that, because we'll just go back in with another clean fluffy brush. Clean it all up. Usually just make sure that this, oh my gosh, why? I usually just like to make sure that this top part right here is blended as much as possible. Now that that's all good, so I literally just take my finger into this palette, into this sparkly shade of Just a Kiss. I honestly love it. It's literally just the kiss that you need. I like using my finger. I feel like it packs on a lot better using your finger than it would with just a brush. I usually just take this as much as I can in the inner part of my eye, and then I kind of fade it out, whatever's left of my finger, into the brown, just so like if you're turning, it doesn't just, the glitter just doesn't stop halfway into your eye. It just keeps going flawlessly. I'm just gonna curl my lashes just so it's a step we don't have to worry about in the future. Alright, now we're just gonna move on to the face. I hope you like my background today. Yes, we did put up our Christmas tree. And it's honestly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It looks like a shop window Christmas tree, and I'm super proud of it. And I don't care what anybody says, it is not too early to have your Christmas tree up. Or too early to listen to Christmas music. It's like you can't, well, at least for me, I know other people it's different, but I just can't not be happy while listening to Christmas music. It just has those vibes, you know? Happy childhood memory vibes. That's why it's behind me. Because me and my roommate, we just love Christmas. We actually watched a Christmas movie last week, and it was not the best, but we had fun. It was like one of those Hallmark kind of things, except it was made on Netflix. But I don't know what it was. I could just literally predict everything that was gonna happen or everything that they were gonna say. So either I'm psychic or the movie was just that predictable. Most cheesy movies are pretty predictable. And one Christmas movie I'm excited to see, because I know it just went up today on Netflix, is the new Santa Claus movie with, is his name Kurt Russell? I'm interested to see how that's going to be, because they kind of made him like a badass Santa, which I'm like kind of glad they made him kind of more like this, because Tim Allen will always be my Santa Claus. Like, he's just the original, and they better not try to ever remake that type of Santa. I don't know what's happening, but I've been breaking out my chin non-stop. It's so annoying. Can you not please? It's the holidays. I just have a holiday of nice skin. Great. I think it's from dairy. I feel like I need to chill on dairy because I love cheese, but I don't think it's been loving me. Want nice skin, you gotta listen to your body, I guess. It's so weird being here in LA right now during a holiday like Thanksgiving, because right now I actually just got off the phone with my family and there's snow on the ground. Well, that's really weird because here it's super sunny outside and oh, it's actually cold outside. Oh, well, our cold, it's 68 here. I mean, to me that's cold because I can't handle the cold at all. Ask anyone. It's a fact. I get cold so easily. Alright, so now we're just gonna set all this. Well, that shit doesn't move at all. I need you to last me a whole day. Please and thank you. Awesome. I love this powder. It's honestly the greatest. The translucent loose setting powder from Mercier. We're just gonna go back into the FRIENDCATION palette, and what I like to do, since it's mostly we're gonna be moving about during the daytime, is I just go to that transition shade that I used on the crease in the beginning, and I use that for the under eyeshadow. Since it's light, I don't care about taking it too far, so I just take it all the way to my inner part of my eye. And I'm just gonna bring just a kiss a little bit more into my inner corner. Dash of dramatics. Now we're just gonna move on to contouring, and then the best part, highlighting. I usually don't like to go too overboard with my contouring. So now for the highlight, we're going in with Fuego from that same Dose of Colors collection, because it is my new favorite highlight. It is the bomb. It is my go-to now. It's the highlight I wear all the time now. I mean, why would you ever wear another one? You want a highlight that's gonna look out for you? Blind those haters. Get this one. Because it does just that. My leg's asleep from sitting too weird for too long. Literally can't even feel my foot right now. I'm gonna do like this weird kind of like ombre thing I did the other day with my lipstick. Because I am doing red because my eyes are toned down. Doesn't mean my lips have to be. So I'm gonna be taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm, and I'm gonna be just using that all over my lips. Just nice simple base. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use like this, their NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the I guess it's shade 11, I don't know, it's the red one. And I'm just gonna like outline my lips, kind of like you would with a lip liner, but I don't have any lip liners, so I'm just using what I got. So this is the hardest part of lining your lips, is making sure everything's even. Especially like where the cupid's bow is. Alright, so right now I look a little crazy, but it's fine, because in a second it's gonna go away. So I literally just like put my lips together until it kind of all goes together, I guess. And then I just add a little bit more red. And now, I think it's got like the kind of nice ombre thing, and when the lipstick starts wearing away, it doesn't look crazy on your lips. So if you like push your lips at all, it doesn't look crazy and like your lipstick's been worn away at all. I don't know. I like how it turns out, so that's just what I'm doing for this. That's it for that. But I think I'm gonna add the Dose of Colors over the top lip gloss because I want some sparkle to match my eyes. Just enough sparkle. Not too crazy, just enough. Just enough to know that something's there. So the last part of this whole look is just mascara. Whichever one you got available. I'm just using Glossier's Lash Slick. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the bottom too. Right. Last but not least, I'm just gonna spray your face and make sure it all stays through the entire day. Hey guys, so this is the look. It's all done. Rather simple, nothing too crazy. You can get it done within an hour, so I highly recommend it because it makes your life so much easier. That's all for this video. just thought I'd film something really quick before I go out and eat my heart out. Just typical Thanksgiving things. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys have a really fun, glorious, food-filled Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!